How to check your Gmail contacts on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find and manage all your contacts linked to your Google account. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left of the screen to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Contacts to open Google Contacts. At this point, you'll see all your contacts listed here. Let me show you how to navigate through them. In the next step, tap on any contact to open their full details, including their email address and phone number. From there, if you want to search for a specific contact, tap on the search icon at the top and type in their name or email address. At this stage, the contact will appear in the search results. Tap on them to view their full details. Following this, if you want to manage your contacts more easily, you can also open the Google Contacts app directly. Search for it in your app drawer or download it from the Play Store if it's not already installed. Once done, open Google Contacts and you'll see all your Gmail contacts organized and easy to browse through. Finally, if your contacts aren't showing up, make sure Contact Sync is turned on. Open your Android settings. Tap on Accounts and Backup. Tap on Manage Accounts. Tap on your Google account and make Sync Contacts is toggled on. And that's it. If this guide helped you check your Gmail contacts, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.